What's your YouTube? Mario is here.
And Kirby.
And we did 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Of Grace Freak Out Reaction.
And we're gonna do the 5th one. They have like 19, but we're gonna do the 5.
Yeah, because it's too many.
Yeah, so
We might do more in the future.
but not right now.
Yeah.
But this is the greatest freak out ever 5 of the Spoiled Kid. And we're starting the video now.
Okay, we have a really crappy microwave that won't cook anything. And Steven's trying to cook a TV dinner. And he's getting really mad.
We need a new freaking microwave! Mom! It's a freaking piece of crap that doesn't cook!
Let's go.
Mom! Answer me!
Is you home?
Mom! Mom! Yelling is not gonna make it cook any faster. Just leave it alone. Oh my freaking God! I've had it in here. Look, the box says. The box says 2 freaking minutes. It's been in there for 7, and it's still full. Mom! I want my freaking turkey breast with freaking gravy, and it's still freaking frozen, Mom. It's still frozen.
But she cares.
This guy's really bad luck.
I don't think he has a girlfriend.
Who did him with that fucking attitude?
What is he doing?
What do you get for not buying a new microwave?
Don't throw it out the window. Do not throw it out the window, please. Do not.
Dude! What are you doing?
Ah! God! You're the freaking boner for that freaking camera! Get out of my face!
What are you, Steven? Wow, Steven! So you better freaking.
Oh wow.
Oh my God, dude!
Get out of my freaking face!
He broke the microwave. What? No.
Wow!
Shut up!
Wow, Steven!
Yeah, I'm freaking starving!
Do not throw.
That was great!
Okay, so since he couldn't
Okay, my
eat
parents are gone for the weekend.
his food, he broke the microwave.
I don't know what's wrong with this kid.
Guys, he's the most spoiled brat in the whole world. I'm sure there's a spoiled girl somewhere on YouTube.
I mean, I don't know what to say this. I don't know what to say.
Alright guys, if you want to see the video, the description down below. It's on our Snap Chat.
Well, you know, well, this is like Brad's brother. If you've seen Brad's sis on, yeah, I'll send to it. Yeah. We want to see the video? Description down below.
Snapchat below as well.
Yeah, hit us up, please. Hit us up at least one time.
Just one comment, please. one
comment.
question, one video you want us to do.
Reaction, just there. The little how never had her,
Me prank him.
or would I rather, or me prank him, or prank some random person.
Just, yeah, and remember, you gotta be insane.
You gotta be
insane
insane
the game. Love y'all. Peace.